Hello all, this is me Priya ma'am welcoming you all to Avyuk Kiddie Cloud. So today I have come up with a new concept which we all will enjoy. This is the concept of my family. Yes, we all live with our mama, papa, brother or sister, right? So this is called as my family. So let's see what this boy is about to tell for us. This is my home, sweet home. This is my home, sweet home. Open the door, there you can see. Open the door, there you can see. Mother, father, brother, sister, mother, father, brother, sister, and me. Mummy and Papa are so much fun. Mummy and Papa are so much fun. They are the best under the sun. They are the best under the sun. Yes, we all love our mummy and papa, right? This is the mother and the father. Now what we are going to tell to them? Mummy and papa, I love you. Mummy and papa, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Mummy and Papa, I love you. Now I know what you want to say. You want to run, go, hug your mama and papa, and you want to say, I love you, mama, I love you, papa, right? Go run, hug your papa, hug your mama, and say, I love you. Let's see what a mother can do for the family. Mother goes to office work. Sometimes mothers will go to office and they will do the office work also. And of course, mama prepares the world's best food, right? Mama prepares the yummy food in the world. Mama is the best cook. She cooks food for us. When you're falling sick, when you're not in good mood, or when you're getting hurt, who takes care of us? Is Mama. She will take care of you so nicely. When you're getting hurt, she cleans your wound. She put the first aid. She puts band-aid. And when you're falling sick, she gives you medicine so nicely. She takes care of you, right? And now, when you're reading this, who's sitting next to you? Is that your mama? Yes, mama sometimes teaches you also. Mama is the first teacher for anybody. Mama makes you hold the pencil. Mama will read stories and mama will make you understand. Mama is the first teacher for anyone, right? Now let's see. See this. Mama is the multi-star because she can do all the work all alone. She can go to office. She can take care of you. She can keep the house clean. She can cook for you. She, of course, is a teacher for you. So, mother is a multi-star. Yay! Let's all clap for mama. Yay! Okay, now let's learn what a father can do. Papa's role in our house. Papa goes to the office. Of course, Papa has to go to office. If Papa is not going to office, then who will get you your favorite toy? So, Papa goes to office to make you happy so that he can buy things for you, your favorite things. And Papa plays with you. Papa will run behind you. He will make you play. He will play hide and seek with you. He will play building blocks with you. And he will play running and catching with you. So Papa plays with you. And you're going to sleep in the night, I will come and tell you stories also. Nice, nice stories, fantasy stories. Papa will tell lots of stories. Sometimes when you're confused or when you're having fight with your friends, so who will come and advise you? It's Papa. And you know what? We should always take good advices from Papa. Okay, Papa knows many things and Papa gives the best advice. Many times Papa also does cooking for us, correct? Papa also can prepare yummy food. Now with all these things we can say, my father is a superhero. Yay, my Papa is a superhero. So we will give a very good clap for Papa also. Clap, 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 clap. Now siblings. So what do you mean by sibling? It can either be your brother or your sister. So what do we do with our brother or with our sister? So we all will play together and they will teach you or you can teach them many things. So we study together. But sometimes we also fight with each other, right? For the toys or for the notebook, you will say, no, this is mine. And your brother or sister will hold it and say, no, this is mine. We will sometimes fight with each other. That's okay. We will get back to normal because we love each other.